Thanks for tuning into this video, and as you can see, we are on my YouTube channel straight away, and this video is going to be a little bit different to the normal videos that I produce on my channel, because I was doing some analytics of one of my videos, and what I've identified is one of my videos is currently earning around 5 cents per view. So that was the thumbnail of the video that you've clicked on to start watching, and it's a little bit creative. So the screenshot there of me, it's a video on LinkedIn, and the analysis of it is that it is currently earning myself around about 5 cents per view. Now, you might be thinking, Mark, 5 cents per view is not that much. But in the world of YouTube, it actually is a very high amount because, per 1,000 views, that'd be $50. Per 10,000 views, it would be $500. And if I was lucky enough to get 100,000 views, it'd be $5,000 ad revenue just on that particular video. So let's have a look at the video and try and analyze why it's earning me so much in, YouTube ad revenue. So I've zoomed in a little bit more. So let me just scroll down to show you which particular video that is. So it's the one right here in the middle of the screen now, using LinkedIn wrong. So that's the video that's currently on my YouTube channel. Now, it's only been launched a few months ago, and it hasn't had overly that many views, but the views that it is generating is actually earning me 5 cents per view. So using LinkedIn wrong, and it's got the animated with me, my face there. Let's dive a little bit deeper and see some of the actual numbers on that. Now, this was the initial screenshot of that video that I did a few weeks ago, and I noticed after only 167 views, it had earned me $9.41 in YouTube ad revenue, which is phenomenal. It's really, really high. So, I've been monitoring this particular video to see where it's going, and it's pretty much continuing along that same trajectory. And just a current screenshot of the revenue of 347 views, it's now earned me $14.21. So it's going along the same type of path, but let's dive deep and see what that works out at per 1,000 views. Now, in the world of YouTube ad revenue, the ad revenue we all earn is called RPM. So in the world of YouTube, RPM means revenue per melee, revenue per 1,000 views. Now, that's based on the Roman numeral. For 1,000 is M. So that's how they come up with the RPM. So my channel average RPM is just under $10 or $9.99. Let's call it $10. And you can see as we scroll through here, some of my videos are earning me $10 and $4 and $6 and $12 per 1,000 views. And some of them actually do quite well. This one here on Twitter is only earning me $1.31 per 1,000 views. So almost nothing at all. But if I scroll down to that video, and I'm going through my analytics over the last month or so, here's that particular video again. Are you using LinkedIn wrong? And I'm just, explaining to business people, whether they're utilizing LinkedIn the wrong way. And the revenue per 1,000 views on that one is a phenomenal $41.18. Now, you can see the video below it, how to schedule posts on Instagram is earning me, $9.55. This one above it on the Ultimate Guide to Twitter is earning me $17.92. So as you can see, this one does really stand out at $41.18 per 1,000 views. Now, if we multiply that one out, if I was lucky to get 10,000 views on it and at the same rate, it'd be $411. Equally, if I was able to get a really good amount of views or a high views, 100,000, it'd be $4,100 odd just on that videos for YouTube ad revenue. But as I say, it's really, really high. So what I want you to do, and my YouTube journey, I suppose, is for a couple of years now, so I'm still learning all of these type of things. I want you to go to the comment section below and let me know your thoughts and whether you're having some of your videos that are actually having some of these high spikes, 5 cents per view, or even higher. Go to the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on that, because I'm still getting my head around all of these, some of these YouTube analytics and advertising ad revenue that I'm earning. But this one has really stuck out. Let me click on a few more analytics and see if we can dive a little bit deeper as well. And diving into another screen here, so currently $14.21 it's earning me, which is that very high $41.18 RPM. Now, what I've been able to gather in the YouTube world that anywhere between $2 and $10 is where the average person sits on their RPM. So this particular one has really spiked, and that's why it's earning me $41. Hence why I'm doing this video. How does my other videos on my channel compare? Let me see if I can find another one that's something similar. I do have another one. It was on Facebook for Business. I think it's currently earning me, here we go, how to use Facebook for Business in 2020. So this was a video that I did last year. Now it's over 12 months old, so it's probably a better example because it has longevity. This particular one is earning me now $38.53 per 1,000 views. So again, it's another one that's earning me quite high compared to all the other ones. And there's another one here that I can show you as well, how to create a LinkedIn business page. That's one of my most popular videos since my channel's been launched, and that one is a really good amount as well of $31.51. But as you can see, when I scroll through all the RPM, my ad revenue, this is what YouTube pay me. You can see 6 and 8 and 14 and 20 and $2. Look at this one, $2.83. It's hardly worth it. But coming back to what this video was all about. Are you using LinkedIn wrong? That's the video that I've currently got online. Now it slipped a little bit from 5 cents, but when I started analyzing the video, it was on 5 cents per view. Currently RPM of earning for me $41.18. So as I said at the start of this video, what I'd like you to do is go to the comment section below and let me know, whether if you're earning some advertising revenue on YouTube, what your RPM is averaging, and whether you have a video like this one that is actually doing quite well. So now I've been able to do some digging, and basically the reason it's possibly doing is the advertising value of this particular video YouTube are determining or deeming as high. So the people who are watching this video, LinkedIn is a social media platform for business professionals. It's a little bit like Facebook for business if you're not quite sure about it. So YouTube's advertising have deemed that the people are watching this video may be coming from a more corporate background, and for that reason, maybe they're going to be more interested in a higher. It's more valuable to different advertisers who want to place an ad on my video. So that's how all of that works. YouTube will deem who's going to be the ideal eyeballs watching a video, and then they will place those specific ads in front of those videos, and the advertisers will then obviously bid will bid for a rate on that they're prepared to pay to have their ad pop up in front of that video. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video a little bit different and informative to you, and it maybe even opened your eyes to the potential of advertising earnings for yourself and your channel here on YouTube. Go to the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Let me know your feedbacks. While you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of my weekly videos just like this one. Leave me a comment as well. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. I love to hear from people, their thoughts on my video content. Always constructive feedback is good. I'm always looking to improve all of my video content. And if there's a specific videos, or if there's a theme of videos you'd like me to start creating content on as well, let me know that in the comments below as well. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123 signing off, and I'll look forward to seeing you again real soon in another one of my videos.